A lot of people have ditched rice water because they believe that it damaged their hair, or rather made their hair stiff. But I want to let you know that rice water is a good thing if used correctly. The reason it didn't work for you is because you overdid things. Continue watching if you want to know how to use rice water on your natural hair without running into damage. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Dima Okike and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make rice water for your protein sensitive hair. This video has part 1, which is more detailed. Please check out the link in the description box, or please check the card on the screen. Just a quick background information about our key ingredient, honey. Honey is an emollient, which means it helps soften the hair. Honey is also a humectant, which means that it helps keep moisture in hair. Honey softens and moisturizes hair. It reduces hair fall. It promotes hair growth. It nourishes hair follicles. It fights off infections. It cleanses the scalp and makes hair shiny and silky. As you can see here, I poured some honey in my bowl. So in the part 1 of this video, I showed you guys how I made my rice water, how I ferment my rice water. So in this video I will not be going through other processes, so I will just start off with my already fermented rice water. So I'll just go ahead and sieve it into the honey. The reason why I'll be sieving this rice water is just to remove impurities, because there are some impurities that usually settle at the top of the rice water after it's fermented. So I'll just go ahead and use my strainer to strain those particles. As you can see, the particles on top, so I wouldn't want that to be stuck on my hair, so I'll go ahead and then use my strainer and then strain it into the honey like so. Please note that I didn't use any specific measurements. There is no proportion for this. I just eyeballed it as it will be enough for my hair. So just make sure that you use as your hair length or the density of your hair. So that's just basically it. No specific measurement, but make sure you pour the rice water or you strain the rice water into the honey. So I will go ahead and give that a good mix. Make sure that the honey mixes with the rice water properly. So that's just it. So next, I'll go ahead and transfer this into my spray bottle for application. So guys, my rice water is ready for application. As seen here, I had already shampooed my hair. So I will go ahead and use this to saturate my entire hair, making sure that every strand is coated with this. You know, as we do here, make sure that you shampoo your hair before applying any nutrient-rich treatment. That way, you will not wash it off with shampoo. So ensure you shampoo your hair first before applying this rice water mix. Rice water does not grow hair. it only forms a protective coat on your hair strands, which helps strengthen your hair and prevent it from shedding and breakage. Please pause this video and watch the part 1 of this video so you can understand. That's if you've not watched the part 1. The part 1 I actually explained in detail, so ensure you watch that part 1 before coming to this so that you can understand. Proceed to massage that into your scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap and wait for 15 minutes before you go and rinse it out. This rice water mix has really worked for me. It has reduced my shedding. So guys, this rice water mix is the bomb. That's why I'm sharing this for you guys, because a lot of you complain of shedding. This has really helped me a lot. I think you should give it a shot and see how it works for you. When you complain of rice water drying out your hair and stuff, this recipe is actually the best, because I have never experienced such. So here in the video, I'll go ahead and cover my hair for 15 minutes just to trap some heat, and then rinse it off. I did not use shampoo. I will rinse it off and return. I did not finish the rice water, as you can see, so I will enter my bathroom and then use that to drench my hair. So guys, this is what my hair looks like after rinsing off the rice water in my hair. So I will go ahead and deep condition my hair for extra moisture. Please leave your questions in the comments and I will do my best to answer you all. That's it for today's video. Please subscribe, like, share, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. See you all. Bye.